Hello, welcome back to another day with dealing this 90s car. As you can see, the car is two different colors. Situations occurred. We needed a new door. It's fine anyway, because the stock door had the little rust spot down here, and it was done. There was no bondoing that. I'd rather bondo this. But since we did this at nighttime, the door is not really aligned because we were trying to take the whole fender off. Anyway, how to find the paint code to this car. It's right here. Usually it'll say color, trim, color, something, something, and then I'll have the code. Research what color that is, and then get the spray can. There's way more things to deal with than some paint, to be honest. Looks like my valve covers are leaking. That thing looks like it's gotta go. It was corroded. That's the name. Ew. Yeah. I don't know who decided to stab 13s in here. It pisses me off every time. But I'm tired of this door looking like the way that it does, and I'm also tired of the mechanical work. Where do I start? I don't know. Definitely circle all of my marks to do it. And I'll have to sand this clear coat out. Oh, that's always a common thing. But it's like, I'm tired of just watching you do all this. Emotional support. Emotional damage. That's emotional damage right there. Order parts. Align door. Sand door. Paint door. Because I also have to order the paint for the car. We've ordered the paint can.
As much as I would love to run around the internet. Z1 has one for 52, and it comes with valve cover, plenum, and the half moon with, but I have the kit from Harbor Freight with O-rings, so like I always just use it for my kit. Now they're having a deal with winning this 350. Should I get the hood strut? It's $98 right now. Should I get the hood strut? Do we need the hood strut? Oh look, the hatch struts. I think I need one of these. Definitely not a coupe. A 4-seater, ultra high pressure. Yeah, send that stuff. I'm happy at 124, to be honest. 148.
That's sad.
There you have it. Fender should be coming out now.
Why no, I cannot take. That's a key. I need a 10 key. I need the fan. Ah, that's what that's for.
Finish off. Finish off.
It's about the same. Look cool. Cherry red pearl. AH3. Cam and toe. So much better. Wow. My camera is now red. Not the best work, but 3 layers deep paint. First time of Z. And looks okay.
It's the flash right here.
There's flash right there.
Hold this. Look.
a guinea pig. Alright, that is sanded down clear coat. Let's see how this turns out.
Pretty close. I need to.
Before, after. Guys, can you even tell? I mean, like, if you look closer, it's a backyard job, right? I don't have a freaking 1-800-AMERICARE. Alright? Can you even tell? No. Yeah. I'm gonna learn more for bondo and have more patience because I see it. It's okay.